Hello children, this video is for class 5, subject English grammar, chapter number 20, past continuous tense. In this video we will learn about past continuous tense.
What is continuous? The verb in a continuous tense indicates an ongoing or an incomplete action in the past, present or future. Continuous past, present और future tense में किसी भी incomplete action को बताता है, जिससे हमें यह पता चलता है कि जो भी काम किए जा रहे हैं वो भी complete नहीं हुए हैं, वो अधूरा है, उसमें continuity है, वो काम को लगातार किया जा रहा है. For example, I am completing my homework. इस सेंटेंस से हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि मैं होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ. होमवर्क हैज नॉट बीन कंप्लीटेड एट, इसे अभी किया जा रहा है. ऑल कंटिन्यूअस टेंसेस आर फॉर्म्ड विद अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस अ मेन वर्ब हैविंग एन आईएनजी फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुकेश वॉज स्पीकिंग cheerfully. Past continuous tense. Next, Nandu and Sandeep are typing very fast. Present continuous tense. The plane will be flying on schedule. Future continuous tense.
Now today's topic is past continuous tense. Past
continuous tense. The past continuous tense indicates an action that was going on in the past. Past continuous tense भूतकाल में जिस कार्य को किया जा रहा था उसका बोध कराता है. The verb phrase in the past continuous tense is formed with subject plus helping verb was were plus ing form of main verb plus object plus full stop. For example, she was speaking loudly. In this sentence, she is subject, was helping verb, speaking ing form of main verb, loudly object is full stop. Next, we were walking carefully. I was writing neatly. In the same way, we and I are subject, were was helping verb, walking and writing ing form of main verb.
Read these sentences. I was walking in the garden. They were watching a movie. Abhi was talking to his mother. We were playing in the garden. So students, the words was walking, were watching, was talking and were playing are in the past continuous tense. ये सभी वर्ड्स जो हैं was walking, were watching, was talking and were playing सारे past continuous tense में हैं. They tell us about actions which are going on in the past. ये सारे वर्ड्स हमें क्या दर्शा रहे हैं कि जो एक्शंस हैं किए गए हैं वे सारे पास्ट टेंस को शो कर रहे हैं. मतलब ये सारे एक्शन पास्ट टेंस में भूतकाल में किए गए थे. लाइक आई वॉज वॉकिंग इन द गार्डन, मैं बगीचे में टहल रहा था. दे वर वॉचिंग अ मूवी, वे लोग मूवी देख रहे थे. अभी वॉज टॉकिंग टू हिज मदर, अभी अपनी माता जी से बात कर रहा था. एंड वी वर प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन, हम लोग बगीचे में खेल रहे थे. ये सभी पास्ट टेंस में पास्ट टेंस के एक्शन को दर्शा रहे हैं. फॉर्म ऑफ द पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को कैसे फॉर्म करते हैं? लेट्स सी. We use was or were plus ing form of the verb. We use was or were plus ing form of the verb. So with he, she, it and I or any singular subject we use was. He, she, it और I और कोई singular subject है उसके साथ हम was का use करते हैं. And with we, you, they and any plural subject. With we, you, they and any plural subject we use were. W-E-R-E. We, you, they और कोई plural subject है उसके साथ हम were का use करते हैं और उसके बाद जो main verb है उसमें ing add करते हैं. I was walking in the garden. So in this sentence, was plus walking is ing form of the verb walk. And they were watching a movie. So were plus watching is ing form of the verb watch. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous form of the verbs given in brackets. So students, words are given in brackets. You have to fill these words in the past continuous form of the verbs. आपको ये जो words लिखे गए हैं brackets में उसे past continuous form में लिखना है. So the past continuous tense में हम लिखेंगे तो उसके लिए हमें helping verb की ज़रूरत होगी. And we can see that in these brackets only verbs are written. Main verbs are written, not helping verbs. So we have to add helping verb also with these main verbs. So the first sentence is mother dash in the kitchen when the guests came and verb is cook. So with mother we use was. Mother was and cook का क्या होगा? Cooking. Because जब हम past continuous form बनाते हैं तो वर्ब का जो मेन वर्ब है उसमें हम ing ऐड करते हैं. कंटिन्यूटी शो करने के लिए उसमें हम ing ऐड करते हैं. सो ब्रैकेट्स में केवल वर्ब्स लिखे हुए हैं तो इसे हमें कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में बनाने के लिए इसमें हमें ing ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो इट विल बी मदर was cooking in the kitchen when the guests came. Next, the baby dashed with its dolls when I entered the room. The baby dashed with its dolls when I entered the room. And verb is play. So the baby is a singular subject. So with singular subject we will use was. The baby was and ing form of the verb play. The baby was playing with its dolls when I entered the room. I dashed when I woke up. Verb is it dash when I woke up. It dash when I woke up and verb is rain. Gia dash the television when her friends came in. Gia dash the television when her friends came in. The word is watch. Mona and Veena dash to the market when I met them. Go. Word is go. The trains dash late because of bad weather. The trains dash late because of bad weather. And the word is run. The policeman fined the driver since he dashed the car rashly. And the word is drive. Next, Rahul dashed a lot when he returned from the field. Rahul dashed a lot when he returned from the field. The word is sweat. S-W-E-A-T, sweat. Monali dashed the stray dogs in her neighborhood when I saw her. Feed. Word is feed. And the last sentence is Jyoti and Suhana dash behind the curtains while playing hide and seek. And the word is hide. सारे sentences जो हैं इसे आपको as a homework complete करना है. So first of all you will focus on the subject. If the subject will be singular, so you will add was plus ing form of the verb. And if the subject will be plural, so you will write were. You will write were plus ing form of the verb which are given in brackets. Frame any 5 sentences in past continuous tense. स्टूडेंट्स कोई भी 5 सेंटेंस आपको फ्रेम करना है जो कि पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में हो।